Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Lesson with Esha. How many fingers do you have in one hand? B is the right answer. Can you name a word that starts with the letter C? D is the right answer. How many months do we have in a year? B is the right answer. Which number comes after 6? C is the right answer. Which festival is called the Festival of Colors? C is the right answer. What type of gas is observed by plants? B is the right answer. Anti-clockwise, is it from left or right? A is the right answer. Name the planet nearest the Earth. A is the right answer. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A is the right answer. How many states are there in India? A is the right answer. How many union territories are there in India? A is the right answer. Which is the nearest planet to Sun? A is the right answer. How many moons does the Earth have? A is the right answer. How many layers are there in the Earth's atmosphere? C is the right answer. What does the cow give us? B is the right answer. Which is the largest bone in the human body? B is the right answer. Which type of a plant is a money plant? D is the right answer. What is the sound made by a frog? D is the right answer. What is the name of the shortest bone in the human body? A is the right answer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected with us for more videos. Thank you.